Of course, you can further edit this image if you like, either by continuing asking Gemini for improvements directly here in the chat, or you can copy this image and go ahead with the markup tool corrections. But let me show you another example while we are here on this image. Let's say that we are planning an international expansion of the Gemini Brew brand. So we need this diagram to be translated into other languages. So I'm going to ask, change the image so that the texts are shown in Chinese language. And this is our translated diagram. Notice that in my prompt, I explicitly say that I want Gemini to change the image, not just show the texts in Chinese language, so that it is crystal clear to Gemini that I need another variation of that image translated into Chinese language. All right, and let's take one final example. Let's say that we need assets for the Gemini Brew marketing campaign that will work everywhere, from Instagram stories and posts to a hero image on our website. We are going to take this shot we built earlier with Gemini, and I'm going to tell Gemini that this is our master asset. And now I need a version for a vertical social media story, a square post, and a white header for the Gemini Brew website. I have also attached the image that I want Gemini to modify. And here is the message that I got from Gemini when I tested this prompt before recording the tutorial. This is because Gemini can create one image in time. So while Gemini can process many reference images at once, its goal is always to synthesize them into one final high-fidelity composition. If you ask it for several separate image files in one go, like in my example here, it won't be able to proceed with your request. So always frame your request as a single project, like an infographic, a menu, or a campaign shot, where all your elements live together in one image. So let me change the prompt. I first would like to create a white header image for the Gemini Brew website. As always, I'm selecting thinking mode, and let's also choose create images to give Gemini clear instructions that I'm expecting to see image in that case. And here is our new white hero image for our website. We see that Gemini doesn't just stretch our original image, it outpaints it. So it adds more details into it, like those old coffee machines, as well as these coffee beans on the left and right side of the original image, while making sure that our product is always perfectly positioned in the center of the composition, regardless of the screen size. Let's also create one vertical size image and square size image for our Instagram posts.